Okay, Al, I'm gonna try to go over I'm gonna go over my trading plan for this for today after everything has kind of like worked out. Um, Worked itself out. It's like about I'm gonna say 1500. It's almost 3 o'clock, like 15 minutes to three. I'm gonna show you what my plan was this morning, and then explain to you what ended up happening because we were looking for it to go long and it did not. So um, again, I'll go out to my week and um, what I do for my lines, for my week line, I make it yellow. And I know you're able to do everything in red. Awesome. But again, I'm working off my iPad and I clearly cannot. um, it's just very difficult for me to um, work within that. Um, I wish I had the ability to um, do what you do. I'm getting a computer soon, but I work with what I got. So, okay. So here, I'm looking at resistance for the week here. And this one here is um, actually that support if we're still looking at a bearish market, as we can see here. So 166,960, that would be support. And as we see, it bumped off there and came back down. Um, but we're still trading within those two restrictions. So going over to my daily, and my daily lines are, make them orange. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible. No time. Time is of the essence. Try not to keep them too long. So, looking at my daily chart. Well, I don't know now. Looking at where our position is now. Oh, here we go. If you can see that over here to the left, a little box here. Um, Looks like we may have resistance to um, a bearish market right now. For the day, looks like we got a bullish candle, but that wick has been up and down. Let me see where our support is. Let me get another line here. Nope, that's not what I need. I need one of these. Okay. I'm looking to my left. I see, I don't know. I think this is my support right here for the bearish. So, okay, that's for my daily. Go down here to my 4 hour. Again, I have my own separate color for that, and it's whatever. Um, Here. So I have to color code because for me, I need to know when I say, hey, I'm looking for this to break above close above. So I'm trying to move this. It's not moving. Oh, there it is. Okay. So in the square over here to the left, you'll see what I'm looking at right here, which is on May 4th. Actually, we have support at the same place, roughly about right here. We have support on daily and 4 hour for the bearish. That's support. If it breaks support, that was my plan. If it broke support with the 4 hour close, then I would be going long. If it didn't, if it tested and then came back, then 100% we would be still in the bearish market. So, um, geez, I'm trying to. And with that same piece here for my 4 hour, wow, it's a little different now. And again, I'm going to the candle. Again, I want to talk to you about that. I'm not sure exactly um, what it is I need to actually be looking at, but yeah. So right below where we are, it's looking like, there you go. Okay, so within that, we're looking at the 1 hour. And again, I was looking forward to, geez, this is why I need a computer so I can just look at it. So I'm looking at it to break resistance at 161,947. Um, and vice versa. I'm looking at to not to push past support. Excuse me. I'm looking, if it's bearish, this would be resistance right here at 161, 312. Um, this would be resistance, and I see it's bouncing right off of that right now. Um, I did find a um, and you'll have to help me. I think I did find a gap, which is right here. Let me just fill it in right here. I think I found a gap that was right here, and that's where this was hours ago. After the 4 hour close, that's where I started looking for a entry point to a to still have a short because my 4 hour, as you can see, it did not break. It did not break the 161 947. It didn't break it, so I'm looking for a entry point for a short. So with that, let's go to the 30. What I did was find I planned my entry, and let me erase this box, delete. All right. So what I did was plan an entry. And again, since I trade on TD Ameritrade, I plan all my stuff out here on um, so right there. I plan my entry to fill that gap. So I would be close to whatever. And then we also, and I can't draw here. Oh, maybe I can go to, there's my photos. All right. So let me draw. Yeah, that's you from this morning. Edit, mark. Okay. So, of course, I see this here. Lower low, higher low, another lower low. So that's my head and shoulders. So I'm looking. Uh, uh, that's what I'm looking at right now. Um, so with that, I planned my entry. That's the reason why I came into my entry. Like I said, I saw the head and shoulders on the 30-minute. Again, I looked at my 4 hour. It did not break. Um, it did not break above. I can't see it here, but it's 160 something. 161. I think it's 9 something, but it didn't break above that. Um, so I started looking here, and of course, the head and shoulders showing up that, hey, we're about to get a nice little close. And, geez, okay. I'm sorry, I'm looking at this over. I apologize. I'm looking at this over here. So, okay, we're looking at a nice little close, and I just plan my entry point at that little gap fill right there at 161.45. Uh, if I can, let me see if I can pull it over here, which is right here on 17th of May at 4:30. So this had to fill back up to there, but that was off the hourly. So that was my entry. I'm in a short position right now. I put my stop. Let me. Geez. I put my stop here, right above there, and my take profit is here. So that's where I am. That's my trading plan for right now. Um, I am in a position. I'll show you, or I can talk to you about it when we talk. Thank you.